Our project Sketch2 site generates web pages from hand-drawn HTML mockups. Here is an example of hand-drawn HTML mockup for a site. It has heading, image, paragraphs and button. We will pass this image to object detection underscore YOLO.py file. YOLO algorithm detects various elements in the image and generates bounding box around it. It gives the bounding box coordinates as output. Here is the output image generated from that algorithm. It properly detects heading, images, paragraph and button in the image along with some other components. These coordinates are passed through filter algorithms which adjust the dimension relatively to the adjacent elements components for better presentation. It generates the test.json file which contains coordinates of different components, their height, width and their ID. This test.json file is parsed by parser.js file and it generates the HTML file which can be viewed with the 200.ok Chrome extension. We will load the folder and open the web URL. Clicking on the HTML file, we can see the website generated. This website is totally generated from hand-drawn HTML mockup. The components are well arranged on site with placeholder image or text to be presented to stakeholders. We have also attempted to detect links between multiple pages on the same canvas. Let me explain the link detection part. We will run the line detection.py file from the line detection folder. This is the input image for the program. There are two pages. The view more button on the page 1 is connected to page 2 and the back button on the page 2 is connected to page 1. We have used different shades of red to depict the links through lines. We apply HSV filter to get the red colored parts of the image. As you can see, this image contains a lot of noise. To remove noise, we apply morphological transformations learned in the class. We perform opening operation by eroding and then dilating this binary image, which generates noise-free results. Then we detect connected components on the image as shown by different colors. We have passed the bounding box coordinates of back button and page 1 title to the program. The program detects that these two components are connected through connected component 2. We are now working to integrate this link detection feature in the previous algorithm. Methodology for the same is explained in the report. Thank you.